Hello guys, this is Salman sir here, and in this video I am going to explain how to do the question paper of chemistry theory and practical both. And specifically in this video we will focus about the theory question paper, that is called paper question paper 1 chemistry question paper 1. Now in ISC there are two chemistry paper. One will be theory that have 70 marks, and question paper 2 that is practical that have 30 marks. In 70 marks there will be internal choices will be given, and in practical 30 marks, 15 marks you have to do the practical in laboratory in front of the examiner, invigilators. 3 hours will be given to you. Question paper will come from the board, and 5 marks for the lab manual, what will you write throughout the year, and 10 marks for the project that will be given by your teacher, and it is given by the council to the school. That topic will be given by the teacher to you. That is a specific given by the council. You cannot make any topic, you cannot choose any topic. Now, so we will start from theory paper, that is called paper 1, and I have taken the example of that paper, that is what, chemistry paper 1 theory, maximum mark 70, time allowed 3 hours, that is the writing time. Candidates are allowed additional 15 minutes for only reading the question paper. So 15 minutes will be given to you, that you will utilize to read the question paper, to understand and make up the mind what question you will choose and what answer you will write. They must not start writing during this time. All questions are compulsory. Question number 1 is 20 marks, having 4 subparts, all of which are compulsory. So through Spring Chemistry channel, YouTube channel, I am going to explain in this video first question that have 20 marks having 4 subparts. Is it? Now see here what is the question. Question number 1 that have, see here, question number 1, how many marks? 20 marks, have 4 subparts, all of which are compulsory. Now question number 1, A part. What is A part? It is always the same, that is fill in the blank. Fill in the blank by choosing the appropriate word or words from those given in the brackets. So here some words are given in the bracket and some problems are given. Some blanks are there in each problem. So each problem will having 2 blanks, and half marks will be on each blanks will be given to you. Now the first, and words are given, you have to choose the same words, same spelling, same thing you will write. Equivalent weight, first point, equivalent conductivity is the conducting power of all the ions furnished by one blank. So this blank, the answer is what? Gram equivalent. The gram equivalent of an electrolyte present in a definite volume. Where is the volume? This is the volume. The volume of the solution. The first option is what? First blank you will fill gram equivalent weight. Another you will write the volume. Second point, bleaching powder on treatment with ethanol or acetone gives, what will be? Chloroform. What will be? Chloroform. Bleaching powder on treatment with ethanol or acetone gives chloroform. So bleaching powder, ethanol and acetone gives chloroform. This is an example of haloform reaction. The first blank will be chloroform and second blank will be haloform. Third, outer orbital complexes. That is a question of coordination chemistry. The outer complexes will use the outer d orbital. So this is the outer d orbital. This is inner d orbital. So answer is what? sp3d2. So here you will write sp3d2. Hybridization and are what? High spin. The outer orbital complex are always high spin complexes. More number of unpaired electron will be possible. So high spin complex. In fourth point, zinc oxide is reduced by, so here coke, see the examples are given, it is given somewhere, coke. So coke you will write here. At this temperature to form zinc and what is that? Carbon monoxide. So how will you write the answer? See here, see how to write. Now first point, A part, first point gram equivalent volume. Second part chloroform, haloform. third is sp3d2 and high, and fourth is coke and carbon monoxide. Now similarly, after that you will write the B part. Here you will write the B part, and the first point of the B part, that you will write in this way. B part, what is that? Here, the B part is what? Select the correct alternative form of the choices given. Here, 4 multiple choices are given to you. You will read the packing efficiency. The first part, the packing efficiency of simple cubic structure, body-centered cubic structure and face-centered cubic structure, respectively. So here you will write the packing efficiency. That is the question from the solid state. Second question, when acetone is treated with Grignard reagent, this is the question from organic chemistry, that will from alcohol, phenol and ether. Third question from coordination chemistry, and fourth question from the where, that is cyanide and isocyanide, that is nitrogen containing compounds. Now how will write the answer? Now see here, answer how will you write? The B part, either see here, first third part is correct, so you will write third part. Either you will write 3 or you will write the full answer. Is it okay? Now the second, what is correct? Tertiary alcohol. So we will write either second or tertiary alcohol. Third, fourth point is correct. What is that? KBr. So we will write either 4 or KBr. Now fourth point, the correct option is first, that is alkyl isocyanide. So you will write either 1 or alkyl cyanide. So here you are going to utilize very less time. You are not going to put more time here, because you can write only first 3, second 2, third 4th and fourth 1. The answer, you will get full marks for that. In C part of question number 1, what is given? Match the following. Silicon and phosphorus, other side, options are given. Iodoform test, Arrhenius equation, distorted octet structure. So now you will choose the correct one. The silicon and phosphorus, you are going to match with what? N-type semiconductor. Iodoform test, who is giving iodoform test? Acetaldehyde. Arrhenius equation is related with the frequency factor. Distorted octahedral structure related with the xenon hexafluoride. But here you will write, how to write answer? C here. How will you write? C part, 1 is matched with C, second is matched with A, third is matched with D, and fourth is matched with B. So that is the way to write, to use, to get full marks and use less time. Because what time you are going to save, that will be utilized to do the numericals, to write the equations, to balance the equation. So here you are going to save the time. Now as we are talking about the D part of question number 1, answer the following question. Here in this question, maximum marks loss is possible if you are not taking it seriously, and you are going to understand. You take it very seriously about this question number 1, D part. What is the common name of polymer obtained by the polymerization of caprolactam? So answer will be nylon 6. Is it additional polymer or condensational polymer? The answer is what? It is a condensational polymer. Now Zn double plus ion are colorless, and Ni plus ions are green, and Cu plus plus ions are blue in color. So here you will write Zn plus plus have completely filled d orbital, and Ni plus plus and Cu plus plus don't have completely filled. Here you will write partially filled d orbital, and here in Zn double plus no dd transition, and Ni double plus yes, dd transition takes place. So you will write the difference between these two. You are not going to focus only on Zn plus plus, and you are not giving the reason of Ni plus plus and Cu plus plus. So you will write one line about Zn plus plus, then one line about opposite line about Ni plus plus and Cu plus plus. Here the numerical is given. The molar conductivity of NaCl, CH3, CO, Na, and HCl are infinite dilution is given. Respectively, calculate the molar conductivity of acetic acid. So by addition and subtraction that you have to study, the answer you will write. So here you will write 1 marks for formula you are going to create, and 1 marks for the value put either formula or value, and 1 mark for you are going to get the final answer with correct unit. So correct unit you must write, the value must be correct, the formula must be correct, and the values filled in the formula must be correct. In fourth case, identify the compound A, B, C and D. Now benzoic acid is given, it reacts with COCl2. Here benzoyl chloride will form, so CH3, C6H5, COCl you will write, NH3 benzamide will form, Br2KOH, that is Hofmann bromide degradation reaction. So you will write here aniline, and this is diazonium diazo reaction. So here the product will be benzene diazonium chloride. So here 4 into 2, for every subpart you are going to get 2 marks. So this is divided into 1 plus 1. Here common name of polymer obtained by, the answer is nylon 6, 1 mark. And what type of polymer it is, that is what, condensation polymer, 1 mark. So here you will keep the thing in your mind, you are going to get 2 marks for each subpart. So you will write the answer accordingly. How to write the answer, please see here how I have written the answer. Nylon 6, that is also called Perlon, but you will write either or. Condensational polymer, Zn double plus, completely filled d orbital, and a non-DD transition, Zn double plus, Ni double plus, U double plus, DD transition takes place because partially filled d orbital. Now the third case, the answer will be 390.71 ohm per centimeter per mole. The unit must be correct, value must be correct. This is 1 marks. 1 marks for the formula, that space is not there, so I have not written. You can write the formula correct and we will put the correct value. In the fourth subpart, that you will write A is what, B is what, C is what, and D is what. That is enough. You are not going to do extra work here, nor you are not going to get extra marks here. So you will focus, where you will focus? How to get very good marks in less time. So this is my first video of explaining the question paper of 2020 with the answer in front of you, right? So you will get 2-3 more videos about this question paper, how to solve, where you are going to save the time, where you are going to get the marks, and please keep in touch. Thank you very much.